All right, enjoying a nice afternoon today. Lots of sunshine, Jeff, and it really feels great out there even though it's cool.
Yeah, it does feel nice. Lots of sunshine, bright sunshine, light winds. That'll be the case again for tomorrow. We'll see temperatures climbing into the mid to upper 50s, maybe even near 60 in some spots. And then just like last week, once we get toward the end of the week, we've got another storm system which could bring the potential of some icing or some snowfall to parts of North Georgia. Now, it's always with the case of these winter storms, it's location, 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 wherever they develop. And last week we had that big storm that was out to our west. It was real powerful. It came in, it was drawing up a lot of warm air out ahead of it. This one's going to be completely different. This one's going to kind of slide to our south. We're going to have the cold air already in place, and it just depends on how much cold air, where the cold air is located, whether we're going to see the ice or the snow. This is the American model here. This shows most of this occurring maybe east central Georgia, the icing all the way up into the Carolinas with some snowfall just to the north of that. Rainfall for the most of us beginning Thursday, lasting through Friday, but then maybe a changeover late Friday into early Saturday as the atmosphere really starts to cool down. If there's a little bit of moisture, some of that ice will work its way back toward Atlanta, and some of that snow will work its way back over into the northeast corner of the state. Then we've got the European model, which kind of like last week, a little more extensive in that ice and snow cover. So you never know. We might see more snow just to the north of I-20, some icing from I-20 southward, or maybe all the way down toward Macon. We're just going to have to wait and see where this thing all positions itself. But there will be the cold air in place. There will be the warm air and the upper levels of the atmosphere kind of overrunning that cold air at the surface, and we are going to get some winter precipitation. Just depends on where it all sets up. So we got a couple days to figure that out, but right now there's the cold air, there's the storm system, there's the cold front. That's going to continue to make its way down to the south and east. We'll definitely get some rainfall out of it beginning some point late Wednesday night. It's probably going to take somewhere close to midnight before those showers start to move through northwest Georgia, get to Atlanta, maybe even a thunderstorm developing in this, although the atmosphere is going to be quite cold. But the cold front will come through. Cold air will start to filter in behind it, still in the form of rain as we go through the day on Thursday. And a lot of that's starting to kind of dry up. So the cold air just pushes in. Some of those showers move over into South Carolina, and then it depends on how much moisture returns on top of that cold air to see what kind of wintry precipitation that will get. Here's a look at the current temperature, 55. It's been our high so far today. 30 was the low this morning, and around the region right now, we've got some 40s up to the north, 47 in the Blairsville area, 49 in Clayton, 54 in Athens, 55 in Edenton out in Rome. Pretty nice evening there, 53, 52 Dallas, 48 right now in Gainesville. Tonight's lows, it's going to be pretty chilly. We'll get down upper 20s up across the North Georgia mountains, 30 in Alpharetta, 30 in Athens, 32 in Griffin, 33 in LaGrange. But look at how nice and warm it'll be tomorrow, all the way up to 58 here in Atlanta. Low 60s from Noonan to Barnesville, 59 in Madison, 54 in Dahlonega. Forecast for tonight, mainly clear, cold, overnight low 35, and then for tomorrow, mostly sunny, milder, high temperature right around 58. Extended forecast, again, here comes that rainfall. It'll begin Wednesday night, last kind of on and off through the day on Thursday, turning into a wintry mix at some point Friday, continuing into overnight Friday, early Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon looks fine, but look at how cold it gets. 39 for the high on Saturday, 46 Sunday, 48 on Monday, and 54 on Tuesday. Winter is finally here.
Yeah, we're feeling it. Okay, thanks so much.